Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Feedly for SEO and content marketing research. So using it for SEO and also the content marketing isn't just about reading, it's about finding what already works and turning it into traffic. So actually guys, at first you will need to track the right SEO sources. So inside Feedly you will need to go with follow sources right here, and you will need to go and look for the SEO strategies, keyword trends and case studies. Okay, so for example you can go with the one. Okay, alright, so go with SEO blown by Ahrefs and just follow them. Go with and create a new folder for the marketing or the SEO strategies. Okay, also you can go with MOZ. Okay, that one, and just go ahead and follow it. You can go with search engine journal, so these show what Google is rewarding right now. Also you can add your competitors' blogs to Feedly. So just watch what topics they post, which articles appear often, how they structure content, and if they repeat topics, it means it works. Okay, also you will need to identify trending topics early, so Feedly helps you catch trends before they explore. So you'll need to look for topics repeated across multiple sites and new keywords appearing often, also fresh updates in your niche. So this is how you find low competition opportunities. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.